Right, this isn't a video of Ruben meditating with his coffee. This is dun-dun, ant rebirth time, and we're taking it using this over to the sprayers to collect the body, and then it'll look more like an ant.
Oh yeah, I've got a sheet of plywood for it. Right, I've got a sheet of plywood and this sheet of orange stranded board.
It does look brand new.
Look, it's not coming off.
What do you mean it's not coming off? Or is it overspray?
Yeah.
Dope. The rebels getting painted. Shiny new paint job. Interior wants to tidy. Shiny new engine. Shiny chassis. It's not connected, but that's where it connects. It's all good. Woo! Tiny wheels. Full ramp at the back. Flips up both sides. I've got these flip side things for my serving of coffee. Fully fitted kitchen in there. Solar panels on the roof. Ready to sell coffee. The most unusual looking rig ever.